Happy Friday, people! It's time again for some shop interviews, so let's go make the rounds.
So I'm just making the clamping ring for our Clinian clinometer case. It'll be our new MEMS tilt meter and a new universal design for our surface tilt meters.
So right now I am building up some of our mat boards for our field kit supplies, or one of our more popular products. It's a super simple thing, but people really like them. So we get these hardboard plates that we cut on the CO2 laser and some acrylic plates. And then I use a number of jigs to cut tape to the right length and set these in the right orientation. All of this is just to get the right spacing on the spine, the seam between the two pieces. A nice seam every time.
So we're testing a liquefaction demo that somebody suggested when I was visiting Arkansas Tech University. John designed this nice carrier 3D printed for it, and we 3D printed some little buildings that we can put on here, as well as a storage tank. So you see that when it gets shaken, like when an earthquake occurs, the soil turns to a liquid due to all of the fluid in the pore space, and we see the buildings sink and storage tanks pop up out of the ground, just like in real earthquakes.
I hope you enjoyed another behind the scenes sneak peek at what goes on here. As always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of the cool things that we have going on at the shop. We'll see you next time.